Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Trinidad-style donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 large egg. A pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance the flavor. Finally, have about 4 cups of vegetable oil ready for frying. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delightful treat. Now let's get our dough ready. Begin by activating your yeast. Dissolve 1 packet in 1 cup of warm milk with 1 teaspoon of sugar, letting it sit for 5 minutes. In a separate large bowl, combine your 2 1/2 cups of flour, the remaining granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Next, add the activated yeast mixture, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and 1 large egg to the dry ingredients. Mix everything until a soft dough forms, then knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a perfect texture. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place your beautifully kneaded dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and find a warm spot. Let it proof for about 1 to 2 hours, or until it has visibly doubled in size. This patience is key for light and airy donuts. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Then, roll it out on a lightly floured surface to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Now, use a donut cutter or 2 different-sized round cutters to shape your donuts. Place these shaped donuts on parchment paper for a short second rise. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, frying and glazing. Heat about 4 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important to maintain this temperature for even cooking. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot, which can lower the oil temperature. Fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, remove them and drain any excess oil on a wire rack lined with paper towels. While still warm, glaze your donuts with a simple sugar glaze or dust them with powdered sugar for that perfect finish. Enjoy your homemade Trinidad-style donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.